Hello children, good morning. Children, today we will be writing the notes of lesson 6 Hindi. Okay, every one of you all open Hindi classwork book. Whatever we are going to write today, you need to write twice in the classwork, twice in the homework. And question answers in the textbook have to be written in the textbook as well as the classwork and homework. Okay children, let's start. Part 6 नट्ठू की मूर्खता foolishness. नट्ठू's foolishness. रोमन 1 कठिन शब्द. फर्स्ट वन नट्ठू न आधा ट टा में ऊ की मात्रा टू. नट्ठू. अचानक अ चा में आ की मात्रा चा न क अचानक. थर्ड वन तुरंत ता में ऊ की मात्रा तू रा में अं की मात्रा रन त तुरंत फास्ट. नेक्स्ट दौड़ना द में औ की मात्रा दौ ध ना में आ की मात्रा ना दौड़ना तुरंत. मटकू म ट का में ऊ की मात्रा कु मटकू. सिक्स वन गिरना ग में ई की मात्रा गी र रा में आ की मात्रा रा ना गिरना. When we add up आ की मात्रा it will become गिरना. When we add up आ ना में ए की मात्रा it will become गिरने. Okay children, गिरना. सेवेंथ वन रोक कर रा में ओ की मात्रा रोक रोक कर कर रोक कर. नेक्स्ट जल्दी ज आधा ला जल द में ई की मात्रा दी जल्दी. ओके नाउ सयानी स या में आ की मात्रा या ना ना में ई की मात्रा नी सयानी. टेंथ वन दिखाओ द में ई की मात्रा दी खा में आ की मात्रा का दिखा ओ दिखाओ. नेक्स्ट धरती. 11th वन ध र ता में ई की मात्रा ती धरती. 12th वन उठाकर ऊ ठा में आ की मात्रा ठा उठा कर उठाकर. नेक्स्ट मूर्ख मा में ऊ की मात्रा मू आधा रा खा मूर्ख. 14th वन जोर जा में ओ की मात्रा जो बिंदी ज जा में ओ की मात्रा जोर जोर. नेक्स्ट 15th वन हंसना हा में चंद्र बिंदु हंस स ना में आ की मात्रा ना हंसना. ओके 15 words. Now children, here in page number 36 you got the meanings. From here you write down twice in the classwork, twice in the homework. Okay, see first one is खरगोश rabbit. दिन day अचानक suddenly. फल fruit. आसमान sky. तोता parrot. peacock मोर peacock. हिरण deer. बंदर monkey. लोमड़ी fox. भागना to run. हंसना to laugh. धरती land. मूर्ख foolish. चुप quiet. Okay, next. So this will be second Roman as Shabda. Okay, children, Shabdat, you write it down from textbook. Now, Roman number 3 will be Vilom Shabd. First one, Din, Raat. See here, this also have given here in the textbook. Okay, from here also you copied out. Here you need to practice in the given blanks. Din, Raat, Girna, Uthna. Girna means what? Falling. Uthna means getting up. Girna, Uthna, Zameen, land. Zameen, Asman, sky. Fourth one, Jaldi. Jaldi means fast. Dheere, slow. Okay? Fast, slow. Next is fifth one, Niche, down. Upar, up. Niche, upar. Next sixth one, Piche, back. Aage, front. Piche, aage. Seventh one, Hasna, to laugh. Okay? Hasna, laughing. Rona. Now, eighth one. You are able to understand, right? Now, Murkh, foolish. Murkh, Chatur, clever. Who was fool? The rabbit was fool in the lesson. And who was clever? Fox was clever. Now finished. Third Roman we finished. Fourth Roman. We have question answers in the textbook. Okay, while writing the questions, while writing in the notes, you copy down the questions from here. Now in the textbook we will be writing the answer. Okay, children. Question number 1. This will be Roman 4 in the while we are writing in the notes. You need to read and write whatever you guys are writing. See the opposites. Once again I am reading. Din, Raat. Din, Raat. Girna, Uthna. Girna, Uthna. Zameen, Asman. Zameen, Asman. Jaldi, धीरे. जल्दी, धीरे. नीचे, ऊपर. नीचे, ऊपर. पीछे, आगे. पीछे, आगे. हंसना, रोना. हंसना, रोना. मूर्ख, चतुर. मूर्ख, चतुर. Now let's start the question answers. नट्ठू कहाँ सो रहा था? Where was the rabbit sleeping? It was sleeping under the tree. उत्तर एक. नट्ठू ना आधा टा में ऊ की मात्रा टू. नट्ठू पेड़ के नीचे सो. नट्ठू कहाँ सो रहा था? नट्ठू पेड़ के नीचे सो रहा था. ओके, नट्ठू पेड़ के नीचे सो रहा था. नेक्स्ट वन. अचानक क्या गिरा? What he was thinking that आसमान गिरा. क्या गिर रहा था? According to Nattu, the sky was falling, right? आसमान गिर रहा था. क्या गिर रहा था? आसमान गिर रहा था. Now question number 3. खरगोश के साथ कौन कौन भाग रहे थे? Who all were running along with the rabbit? खरगोश के साथ तोता, मोर, हिरन और बंदर भाग रहे थे. खरगोश के साथ. Here I think it is not sufficient. You can draw another line and continue. continue children. Okay, if the answer is not sufficient. के साथ तोता, कमा मोर, कमा हिरन. हिरन means what? Deer. हिरन और बंदर भाग रहे थे. Okay, these all were running along with the खरगोश. खरगोश के साथ तोता, पैरेट, मोर, पीकॉक, हिरन, डीर और बंदर, मंकी भाग रहे थे. Okay, this fox did not run. It stopped them, all of the 4 to 5 guys, and asked, why you guys are running? Now question number 4. उत्तर 4. पेड़ के नीचे क्या गिरा हुआ था? What they found in the last? What was lying under the tree? It was the mango. पेड़ के नीचे आम गिरा हुआ था. क्या गिरा हुआ था पेड़ के नीचे? पेड़ के नीचे आम गिरा हुआ था. Now we finished. Now page number 37. Page number 37. Here, see the garbage. You need to join the. He had given some this symbol. That means मात्रा वाले words इन्होंने दिया है यहाँ पर. Same मात्रा वाले अलग-अलग words हमको लिखना है from the lesson. We need to choose the matra, this matra, particular matra words, and we need to write. See, he gave O. Right. For O, he made it. माँ में ओ की मात्रा मोर, right? More. So remaining we need to write like खरगोश, 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 and the second one is तोता. Here also we are getting o की मात्रा. Here also we are getting o की मात्रा. Okay, children. Now remaining e here given e. So this is e की मात्रा, right? Right. So first one he gave Sayani. Here we are getting e की मात्रा. So remaining is लोमड़ी. द में e की मात्रा we are getting. Next धरती. ध र त में e की मात्रा ती. धरती. So remaining two you do it. First one he gave hiran. Second one he gave भाग. That means आ की मात्रा and आ की मात्रा. This is e की मात्रा he gave hiran. Similar e letter words you need to write. Next a की मात्रा he gave भाग. You can write आम also, you can write आसमान also, or your wish अचानक also. Next is next Roman is you need to join these letters and make the word. See, he gave e plus the plus na will become what? Da mein e ki matra di na din. Okay, next this side ta plus e ki matra plus na. What it will become, children? Ta mein e ki matra ti na tin. So similarly all the words you need to join and write. Next bit is this is also complete homework part. Nattu, Khargosh, Asman. 3 times you need to practice the words. Here also he gave remaining 6. Total 9 words here given. Tota, Mor, Hiran, Lomadi, Aam, Murg. Why we are asking you to practice means when you join the different matras to the particular letter, how it will get the pronunciation. Example, ta mein o ki matra to, ta mein a ki matra ta, to ta. In that way you need to pronounce and practice. Next comes here this one, write it in the homework book, class work as well as the homework book. Here also you can write if you have time. First write in classwork, then textbook. See 1, 2, 3 he had given. Make own sentence. 3 इन्होंने दिया है. तोता, तोता उड़ गया. दिन, दिन निकल आया. आसमान, आसमान नीला है. Parrot, flied away. दिन, day has started. आसमान नीला है. The sky is blue. Now let's write remaining 4. This will be the 4th one and this Roman will be the 5th Roman. वाक्य बनाओ. वाक्य बनाओ. Fourth one, more. We write more. सुंदर पक्षी है. Peacock is a beautiful bird. सुंदर पक्षी. पक्षी means what? Bird. पक्षी है. Okay children? Now next, बंदर. बंदर means who? Monkey. बंदर केला खा रहा है. So you all know that monkeys love to eat bananas. बंदर केला खा रहा है. The monkey is eating the banana. Next, 6th one, हंसना, smiling और laughing. हंसना, हंसना सेहत के लिए अच्छा होता है. Laughing is good for health. हंसना, laughing, सेहत, health. समय की मात्रा से हत, सेहत के लिए अच्छा, it is good. अच्छा होता है. Now 7th one, last one, लोमड़ी, fox. लोमड़ी चालाक है. लोमड़ी, the fox is very smart or clever. लोमड़ी चालाक है. Okay children? Not only these 4, here he had given 3. These all 7 you need to write in classwork as well as the homework. Now next, here this one he had given few words. For that, which is the correct opposite word, we need to tick. Like example, for din, what is the opposite word from the opposite forms? Din is raat only, right? See, din, raat he had given. He gave 2 options for one word. Raat also he gave, subha also gave. So which is the correct opposite? For that you need to put a tick mark. Now गिरना, गिरने का मतलब विलोम शब्द क्या है? उठना. So here he had given चलना, उठना also. So उठना is the correct. Similarly, or remaining 4 also you do it. Okay. Now here is some activity. Page number 39. हमारे त्योहार, our festivals. नीचे दिए गए चित्रों को देखकर तथा संकेतों की सहायता से त्योहारों के नाम पर सही का निशाना, that is चिन्ह लगाओ. We have to pick the, see, look at the pictures, read the clue and tick the correct name of the festival. By seeing the picture, we need to put the correct tick mark. इसे रंगों का त्योहार भी कहते हैं. Which festival is known as the color festival of colors? Holi, right? Here he gave Dashera, Holi. So mark it for Holi. Next, यह केरल का प्रसिद्ध त्योहार है. So which is the main, that is the important festival of Kerala, that is Onam. Next comes, यह तमिलनाडु का कृषि त्योहार है. This festival is a harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. This is Pongal. Okay, Pongal is the harvest festival. Next come, इस दिन बहन भाई को राखी बांधती है. So when the sister will tie the Rakhi to her brother on the Rakhi festival, that is Raksha Bandhan. Next, इसे प्रकाश का त्योहार भी कहते हैं. This festival is known as the festival of lights, that is दीपावली. यह मुसलमानों का प्रमुख त्योहार है. This festival is the important festival of Muslims. He had given Christmas or Eid. So Christmas is celebrated by Christians and Eid is celebrated by Muslims. So Eid is the correct answer. Now next comes, see here, Santa Claus. Santa Claus is termed for what? Christmas only. यह ईसाइयों का प्रमुख त्योहार है. This is the festival of Christians. So this is Janmashtami or Christmas. Next, महाराष्ट्र के लोग इसे बड़ी ही धूमधाम से मनाते हैं. The people of Maharashtra will celebrate with lots of happiness and fervor. What is that festival? Which image you had given? Ganesha image, right? So it is obviously Ganesh Chaturthi. Next, यह बौद्ध लोगों का प्रमुख त्योहार है. This is a Buddhist festival. Okay, so this festival is known as Buddha Purnima. He had given Guru Parv as well as the Buddha Purnima. So Buddha Purnima is the correct one. Next, यह सिखों का प्रमुख त्योहार. This is the important festival of Sikh religion people. So that is Guru Parv. Parv, not Good Friday. Good Friday is celebrated through the Christians. Now next is, यह त्योहार असम में मनाया जाता है. So this festival is celebrated in Assam. So what is that? Bihu or Vishu Parv. This is Bihu. So this is dance is known as a Bihu dance. Now here, त्योहार हमें मिलजुल कर रहना सिखाते हैं. Here you need to color this one, color these names. Okay children? So go through whatever we have written today, write neatly in classwork as well as the homework, prepare well for the exams. Okay children, bye bye.